Here we are showing a case of RIRS for upper calyceal diverticular stone using thulium fiber laser. The patient is a 68-year male with incidentally detected left renal calculus. This is the CT picture showing the stones in upper pole. The stone looks more peripheral, so we had a doubt whether it's a diverticular stone or a parenchymal calcification. This is the CM picture showing multiple small stones. This is the flexible ureteroscopy. Prior to this, semi-rigid ureteroscopy was done and a guide wire was passed. This has luckily coiled through the mouth of the diverticulum. It has entered the diverticular cavity. Using thulium fiber laser in the soft tissue mode with incision settings of pulse energy 1 joule and pulse frequency 10 Hz, the mouth of the diverticulum is cut open. Multiple radial incisions are given rather than just in one place, just adequate enough for the scope to be negotiable. So once the diverticulum is opened, the scope is negotiated into the diverticular cavity. This is showing multiple stones within the diverticulum. Now the laser is switched to lithotripsy mode, and using fragmentation mode of 1.5 joules and 10 Hz, the stones are fragmented. Since this is a closed cavity containing multiple stones, there is no need to paint the stones, and we have just randomly fragmented. And after this, once the stones are made into smaller pieces, we have switched to popcorning mode, 0.2 joules and 100 Hz frequency. So because of the effective popcorning of TFL, we could able to completely clear the stones in one sitting. So this is how the stones were cleared, and this is the post-operative RGP showing the calyceal diverticulum which is clear of stones. This is the guide wire which is passed into the diverticulum under flexi guidance, and a stent is threaded over the guide wire to be placed inside the diverticulum. So in this case, the thulium fiber laser was very useful because it has both incision modes, that is soft tissue modes, and lithotripsy modes. We could switch to the other whichever is needed, and that is how we could complete this much large volume of stones in one go. The laser time, total laser time is 25 minutes and the total operating time is 55 minutes. Thank you.